Hello everyone, so today I will be showing you how to make pasta with yogurt and mint sauce. Saute the onions for like 2 minutes. Pepper. It's time to add the tomato paste, so I'm gonna be putting the meat on the side and make room for the tomato paste. About 2.5, and then just gently mix them. Adding 1 teaspoon of paprika, also 1 teaspoon of garlic. Now I'm adding a little bit of water. The pasta. My yogurt is a bit too thick, so I'm gently separating them.